I think the opportunity that we have here at Stout with the studios really helps with a confined space and a controlled environment.
It's really up to the student to build from the ground up.
Because you go in and it's literally a blank slate. There's nothing in there, and you basically have to figure out how to craft the setting or the space all on your own.
It's really necessary to take that experience of building an environment to then take out into the world of filming when you're on set at maybe a not so controlled location, to sort of tear it down to a controlled environment and then build it back up. Working with lots of equipment to build a set with a lot of people under a time limit. It really takes a lot in order to pull everything together to build a set, shoot what you need, take it all down, and get everything back into the studio 1 hour, 2 hours.
I think the most rewarding aspect of studio work is the confidence that the group has when we're tearing down and putting all the equipment away. Like, yeah, we got that one shot, it's perfect, and we all know it, and we can't wait to cut it together. And then the pride of showing that to the class, and then everyone, it's infectious almost. They're like, yeah, that was a really good shot, good job. Like, just the camaraderie that comes from the good work being done.